Okay, so let's start with the third part of the tutorial on AI, ML, and IoT. So here we are going to understand about the artificial intelligence. So let's recall our understanding of AI, ML, and IoT in somewhat details. Now, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the ability of algorithms to imitate human behavior in applying knowledge. AI shares many aspects of human intelligence, allowing it to take over many tasks that are primarily done by human beings. One defining area of AI in technology is the automation of repetitive tasks using RPA, that is, robotic process automation. AI will see a widespread application in mundane and process oriented tasks such as accounts payable, loan underwriting, software engineering, and even radiology. AI also has a learning component to it and learns from errors and activities that take place in the background, gradually evolving the performance each task in a better way. For instance, AI allows us to integrate smart homes and security solutions into everyday tasks. Not only is AI creating solutions to everyday problems, but it is also making life simpler for everyone. Its presence in home automation allows us to control our appliances, secure our homes, and even limit our expenses. The ultimate goal of home automation is to limit the need for human involvement. With AI, this goal is well within reach. Machine learning. Machine learning, often used interchangeably with deep learning as the means of achieving AI. The term machine learning was first coined by Arthur Samuel in 1959, defining it as the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Simply put, you can build AI manually without machine learning, but that means a significant amount of manual work to writing millions of lines of code and with lots of rules and decision trees. Machine learning takes all this manual labor out of the equation and trains an algorithm so that it can learn to evolve, but instead of feeding AI with vast amounts of code, you are feeding vast amounts of data. For example, Facebook uses machine learning to detect vital facial features of a video subject to real time. And because they have a massive amount of data to draw from, their ML platform has an easier time evolving to growing demands. Machine learning technology allows businesses to respond faster to emails from clients, detect clouds to a satellite image, and finding habitable planets in space. IoT, which is Internet of Things. So IoT is a system of interconnected devices in a wireless manner that are actually that are usually accessible via the internet. These devices utilize sensors and built-in embedded systems to control other devices on the smart ecosystem. IoT devices have a range of applications and processes, including real-time analysis of parameters, efficient management of healthcare devices, monitoring energy consumption, and making devices more secure. Increasingly, organizations in a variety of industries are using IoT to operate more efficiently, deliver enhanced customer service, improve decision making, and increase the value of the business. With IoT, data is transferable over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. How does IoT work? An IoT ecosystem consists of web enabled smart devices that use embedded systems such as processors, sensors, and communication hardware to collect, send, and act on data they acquire from their environment. IoT and devices share the sensor data they collect by connecting to an IoT gateway, which acts as a central hub where IoT devices can send data. Before the data is shared, it can also be sent to an edge device where that data is analyzed locally. Analyzing data locally reduces the volume of data sent to the cloud, which minimizes the bandwidth consumption. Sometimes these devices communicate with other related devices and act on the information they get from one another. The devices do most of the work without human intervention, although people can interact with the devices, for example, to set them up, give them instructions, or access the data. The connectivity, networking, and communication protocols used with these web enabled devices largely happened on the specific IoT applications deployed. This is IoT important. Why is IoT important? IoT helps people live in and work smarter. Consumers, for example, can use IoT embedded devices such as cars, smartwatches, or thermostats to improve their lives. For example, when a person arrives home, their car could communicate with the garage to open the door. Their thermostat could adjust a preset temperature, and their lighting could be set to lower intensity and color. In addition to offering smart devices to automate homes, IoT is essential to business. It provides organizations with a real-time look into how their systems really work, delivering insights into everything from the performance of machines to supply chain and logistics operations. IoT enables machines to complete tedious tasks without having human intervention. Companies can automate processes, reduce labor cost, cut down on waste, and improve service delivery. IoT helps make it less expensive to manufacture and deliver goods and offer transparency into customer transactions. IoT is one of the most important technologies, and it continues to advance as more businesses realize the potential of connected devices to keep them competitive. What are the benefits of IoT to organizations? IoT offers several benefits to organizations. Some benefits are industry specific and some are applicable across multiple industries. Common benefits for businesses include the following, that is, monitors overall business processes, improves the customer experience, save times and money, enhances employee productivity, provides integration and adaptable business models, enable better business decisions, generates more revenue. IoT encourages companies to rethink how they approach their businesses and give them the tools to improve their business strategies. Generally, IoT is most abundant in manufacturing, transportation, and utility organization that use sensors other than IoT devices. However, it also uses cases for organization within the agriculture, infrastructure, and home automation industries, leading some organizations toward digital transformation. IoT can benefit farmers in agriculture by making their job easier. Sensors can detect data on rainfall, humidity, temperature, and soil content, and IoT can help automate farming techniques. IoT can also help monitor operations surrounding infrastructure. Sensors, for example, can monitor events or changes within structural by buildings, bridges, and other infrastructure that could potentially compromise safety. This provides benefits such as improved incident management and response, reduced costs of operations, and improved quality of service. Thank you.